I'm Robin and I'm back with a new DIY. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Dalgona coffee. So now that we've gathered all of our supplies, I'm going to show you how to begin. So this is the easiest recipe that you will ever learn. It is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, sugar, and water. So what you're going to want to do is take your 2 tablespoons and put it in the bowl. Your sugar, and water. Now you're going to want to take a hand mixer and you're going to want to mix this up for a good 5 minutes. It's going to take a while, but the end result will be worth it. So as you can see, when I take my mixer out, it forms a peak. That's exactly what you're looking for. So in order to make your coffee, you're going to take a cup. You're going to put some ice down in the bottom. You're going to add some milk. And then you're going to top it with your coffee mixture. Just like that. You can take a spoon and mix it around. You can drink it like this, but if you mix it, you're just gonna want to take your fluff and push it down into your milk there. And give it a stir. And there you have it. So thanks for watching our tutorial today. If you liked what we did here, be sure to like and subscribe and check back next week for more.